So today I'm going to be filling my Kiara Sky Gelly tips one last time. If you guys are interested in how I got my nails like this, then keep on watching. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I cut and also fill again these Kiara Sky Gelly tips. So I wanted to cut them just to see how they looked, and I think they look really good. So I'm gonna show you guys how to take the crystals off of this hand and cut this hand as well. And then I'll just do one on camera and then I'll do the rest off camera. So the first thing that I'm gonna take is this, I believe this is a tip cutter. I got it from Amazon. I will link it down below, but it's actually shaped the way that my nails are shaped, so it's perfect. But I'm gonna just line these up with the ones that I already did. And it's okay if they're a little bit too long because you can always file them down. So I'm just going to use this cuticle nipper and try to get all of the gems off. I would say, I know some people were wondering me how long these gems would last on my nails. I'm doing this fill early just because I'm tired of long nails right now. I get bored easily, but I would say probably about 95% of them stayed on. As you can see, it's really hard for me to get them off. On my other hand, I was missing like, I want to say 3. On this hand, I don't think I'm missing any. And if you can't get them off, the drill will get them off too, so no worries. I always just try to the best that I can. Don't really want to budge, but I got the majority of them off on that hand. So I'm just going to be taking the drill and just filing down all of these gems and also all of the products. So I'm actually going to be using this tip right now. So now that I have this one all filed down, I'm just gonna go do the rest off camera and I'll be back ready to fill. Okay, so everything is filed. I even shaped them a little bit too, and now I'm just gonna do the fill. So the first thing I'm gonna use is the dehydrator. And then I'm gonna use this primer. The builder gel to fill all of my nails. About 3 coats on here, and if it's a little bit darker, it's because I had to close the blinds because my neighbors are having a Memorial Day party, so I don't want them to see me. So yeah, but I'm gonna do probably 2 more coats. Paper towel and take that sticky layer off. I'll probably also use this bit right here just to kind of clean up the cuticle. Okay, so now I am going to start doing polish. I am doing this really, really basic French manicure. I will show you what the inspiration is, like here or here, wherever on the screen. I'll show you the inspiration and then I will take you step by step on how to do it. All right, so first I am going to use the dehydrator again. And then after that, I'm gonna be using the OPI primer base. Cure that for 30 seconds. And then next I am going to be taking the gelish color in Creme de la Femme that I did in my first video, and I'll link that down below too because this is very similar to that. I was going to do something completely different, but I just really like French manicures right now for some reason, so I thought I'd show you like the two different ways that you can do it. Focusing this on the tips too much just because those are going to be white eventually. So if you don't want to go all the way up, you don't really have to. All right, and then I'm just gonna cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, then I'm just gonna go on with a second coat. All right, and then cure that again for another 60 seconds. And then I'm gonna take this again. I used it in my first video, like I said, and I'm just going to put this on this green plate here. And then out of that brush set, I will also link this down below, but I'm gonna be taking this one and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. So I've never actually really done a style like this before, so we're gonna see how it looks. Acetone on this and just kind of clean that up. Alright, so I'm just gonna cure that and then I'll do a second layer to make it more opaque. Alright, I think it looks really good. I hope this actually turns out how I want it to, but I'm gonna cure that again and then I will finish all of my nails and I'll be back when they're all done. Finished. I really love how it looks. I feel like it just looks really like clean and like fresh, and I don't know, it just looks really good with like my gold jewelry and stuff, so I'm really, really in love with them. So I'm just gonna use cuticle oil. Basic French tip. It was actually a little bit more difficult than I thought it was gonna be, just because you have to really make that perfect like curve. So it totally makes sense that people sometimes use like stencils to do it, but I really love the outcome. I love how short they are. I feel like it just looks really like classy. Everything. The next video I'm going to do something completely different because these need to be taken off. So I can do polygel, dip powder, acrylic, kind of whatever you guys want me to do. So just put them down below and then I'll pick which one I should do. But yeah, that's definitely gonna be the next video, doing something completely different. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.